principal Sister Bindu to present a sapling as a token of welcome. Now a flower to Mrs. Shruti Sabu ma'am. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. I believe that this seminar would be very fruitful and meaningful. They both organize such seminars across India. Now, I would like to hand over the mic to our resource persons. Now, stage is all yours, sir.
Thank you. Good morning, everyone. Oh, you are full of energy. The good morning should be much more warm, right? Wow, good. The first feeling when I step into this room is, let me give you a very honest feedback. You all are very cute child. And we will build a bond of friendship. Will you be my friend forever? Great, great. So, remember as a friend, you have to give me the chocolates on the day of birthday. Right? And one thing more, I will be asking by the end of presentation. And I wish if you can give me that as a part of gift, as a token of love, I will feel mesmerized to carry this relation forever with you. Will you do that? Yes. Chaliye, let's start the journey. See you all guys. In last almost 12 to 15 years, I got really an opportunity to conduct more than 500 seminars. I have stopped counting now. Throughout the year, my seminar grows, and with an objective that my seminar can bring a lot of good thought process, can bring some good noble idea in your mind which can take you to the next level. Yes, with that agenda, with that thought, I wanted to start this session. You know something called parachute? Have you seen parachute? Yes. Okay. Will the parachute work if it is closed? No. Can you protect yourself from the rain if your umbrella is not open? No? Sure? Okay. So for umbrella to work, for parachute to save the life, what is the important part? It should be? Okay. For next 1 hour, make your mind as an umbrella or a parachute. Make your mind as an umbrella or parachute. Keep it completely wide open. Because if you will keep the wide open of your mind, I'm sure a very valuable inputs you will take today. Okay? This seminar, I always count it as one of the life-changing career seminar. Why it is a life-changing career seminar? Because today you will going to get some of the very valuable inputs which I assure you, if you will take the advantage of this 1 hour, it will completely make a big difference in your life. There are hundreds and thousands of my ex-students. They have got, popped. They have popped. You know pop? You have eaten popcorn? You know corn? You like to eat corn or you like to eat popcorn? Popcorn, right? Why you want to take popcorn? Because it is light. It gives you lot of, taste. It ignite your taste buds, right or not? So today in this 1 hour, from corn, you will get an opportunity to become popcorn. right? So when you go home, when you ask when you will convey today to your parents कि आज स्कूल में क्या हुआ, so आप एक लाइन में सबको कह सकते हैं कि हम कौन थे, आज हम क्या बन गए? Popcorn. Wonderful. Okay, so let me briefly start with my program. Your friend Ashish Sabu, right? I have done my engineering from BITS Pilani, and from last almost 18 years I am into the teaching field, and most of you, if at all, have heard about us. So Arise Academy Global is my organization. To know more about it, it's very simple. Go to YouTube, go to Google, just put Arise Academy, you will get to know everything about us, right? So I will not take much of your time. Who am I? Let me come to the objective for what we are meeting today. Wonderful. Now, all of you are carrying the pen and the paper. Make sure if any of the good points you feel today. See, today's seminar is just not for hearing. It is something to, take some learning lesson of your life, right or not? अगर आपको लगता है कि today I am getting some valuable inputs, please note it down. And if possible, when you go home, keep that piece of a paper always with you as one of the important piece of write-up which will guide you, which will direct you, right? चलिए. All of you can see the slides here? थोड़ा बहुत दिख रहा है? Okay. थोड़ा सा इसको इधर करना चाहिए क्या? You can see it here? All of you can see the slides? No. Okay, I will do one thing for you. Okay, I will ask your ma'am or teacher, or you can also reach me and I can give you my presentation in the form of soft copy. आप आराम से देख लीजिएगा, या आप मेरे वेबसाइट पे चले जाइएगा ariseacademyglobal.com, आपको वहाँ पे मैं ये presentation डाल दूंगा, आप देख लीजिएगा, ठीक है? आज आप सुन लीजिए, get the opportunity to hear it properly. Okay, fine. So what is the objective of today's seminar? The first objective is I wanted to motivate you. Okay, what is an objective of motivation? Why the person need to have the motivation in the life? Can you be a little bit interactive? Why we need to have a motivation? Why we need to have the motivation? Do you take bath every day? Okay, what do you feel after taking the bath? What is the difference? You feel fresh. Wonderful. You feel fresh. Motivation makes you mentally fresh, right? आपके टीचर्स, आपके पेरेंट्स, आपके कलीग्स, आपके रिलेटिव्स दे से बेटा स्टडी करो, बेटा पढ़ो, मैथ्स पढ़ो, सोशल पढ़ो, इंग्लिश पढ़ो, हिंदी पढ़ो, अच्छे मार्क्स लाओ. Yes or no? Let me give us some different perspective today. Let me make you fresh. So my first objective of today's session is to give you freshness of imagination of your mind. Second thing is, you are going to step in the world which demands some kind of a competitive atmosphere, some kind of a competitive nature. So I am going to briefly introduce the world of career based on competitive exams. Okay, I'm sure everyone want to be successful. Yes or no? Yes, without having any question, without having any doubt, without having any second thought, we all are born to be successful. Yes or no? Yes, we are bound to achieve lot of success in the life. Yes or no? Yes. I am going to open that door for you. Okay, then there are some myths and there are some reality. Myth is something which you have accepted as a norm, but today I just want to break it out. Okay, one of the small norms just to introduce is, I feel relaxed when I use mobile. Do you feel relaxed when you use mobile? Yes, be honest. I am your friend, as I said. You can't be liar to me, if I will meet you, so you will be sharing all of your secrets to me. With that kind of a emotion attachment I wanted to carry. So I am sure 90% of you feel a little bit happy when you get mobile in your hand. Yes or no? Yes. This is myth. Let me tell you the reality today, right? This is a myth. right? So we will work it out to overcome some myths and will accept the reality, some changes which I wanted from your side, okay? The last part is one feedback and one prize. So whole of the seminar, be very attentive, because at any moment of a time, in my whole presentation, if I will be covering some point and if I will be asking randomly, you should be the one who tell me the correct answer. For what? You will get the prize. Yes or no? Next. So what is this? All of you are seeing the slides. What is this? What is this? Previous. What is this? A dream. Have you heard this word called dream? आप तो सोचते होंगे सर मैं तो रोज रात को सपने में ड्रीम्स ही ड्रीम्स आते हैं मेरे पास तो. Yes or no? Yeah, I am still in the world of fairy tales, right? I get lot of dreams in the night, right or not? Friends, I am not talking about the night dreams. I am talking about something more serious. The dreams which does not make you to sleep. The dream, what you want to become in your life. This is a time where you are stepping to look ahead in your world the way you wanted to see yourself, right? Someone will say, Acha, let me take some feedback. Let me take. Beta, what you wanted to become in the life? What's it? बैठे रहिए, बैठे रहिए. You wanted to become
Doctor.
Wonderful. She wanted to become doctor. Beta, आपको क्या बनना है life में?
Engineer.
Wonderful. She wanted to become engineer. Beta, आप क्या बनना चाहती हैं?
Police officer.
Wow, wonderful. Police officer. Wonderful. She wanted to become police officer. Beta, what you wanted to become?
Astronaut.
Astronaut. Wow. What inspired to become astronaut?
Other astronauts who are.
Other astronauts. You have seen some astronauts and you got interest into it. Wonderful. She wanted to become an astronaut. What do you want to become, beta?
Engineer.
Police officer.
Cricketer.
Aeronautical.
Cricketer.
IT engineer. IS officer.
IS officer. I was actually looking for this thing. Wonderful. So, see, the life gives you all the opportunity to become what you have dreamt for yourself. The first thing, always keep in your mind, never fail on this part. Dream does not cost anything to your pocket. Yes? अगर आप बड़ा सोचेंगे तो will it cost heavy to your pocket? क्या आपको ज्यादा कुछ खर्चा करना पड़ेगा? Always think big in your life. You all will going to achieve if you start thinking. You know, I don't know, in today's time, I see the child, even my child, when I see, and if I see my childhood, so in my childhood, what we used to do in your age, you know, we used to go at some corner of our house, or we just go to some steps, जहाँ पे generally बहुत ज़्यादा frequently, no one of the family people come on a frequent ground. We just sit there with some piece of paper. And we just keep thinking big things. If someone would have asked me when I was in class 5th or 6th, what you want to become, so probably I would have said I wanted to become Prime Minister. Right? Because every day I used to sit on my steps and I used to think something big. I wanted to become this. Then maybe 3 days later, my thought changes. Then I think I wanted to become president. Right? Then some next day, if I have seen some match, I would have said something, I wanted to become cricketer. Then my father would have given me some kind of the instruction, then I would have thought I wanted to become doctor. But I have never stopped thinking, dreaming. Never stopped dreaming. The world, whatever the successful people you are seeing today in the world, they all have dreamt it. You see this mic, you see this mobile, you see this projector, you see this camera. Whatever the thing you are seeing today, you see the lights, right? Someone has dreamt before they have invented. Do you agree with me or not? Yeah. Today, we have reached to moon, yes or no? Yes. Some people have dreamt about it. Who are those people? You will be the people. You are the one who will be keeping that imagination, who will be dreaming it. So never cut short on your dreams. Throughout the life, make sure, and at this time, if you will not cultivate this habit, I tell you, whole of the life, you will see, I have lost one wonderful opportunity of the growth. Keep dreaming. Keep dreaming. Don't worry, don't bother what my other, friends says, what my parents says. For example, in my class, I got, say, 65 marks. And I said, I become IS officer. तो किसी ने कमेंट कर दिया, यार तेरे तो क्लास 7th में ही you got very less percentage and you are thinking about IS officer. Can't be possible. Step away from such people. Always carry with the people who believe and accept your dreams. Because if you start believing in your dreams, you all will going to attend it. You all will going to achieve it. So dream and dream and dream. When you keep dreaming about yourself, someone said IS, someone said astronautical engineer, someone said computer science engineer, someone says doctor, someone says movie director, someone says I wanted to be Sachin, like next Sachin Tendulkar. Whatever you have planned, whatever you have dreamt, keep dreaming. A day will come, that dream will become your burning desire. You know what is the difference between dream and burning desire? Suppose today in your class 6th or class 8th, you have planned, you have dreamt that I wanted to do the best in my class. That is the dream you have to see today. I want to do best in my class. Right? There is a two way you can do it. One is आप रट लीजिए, मक कर लीजिए. Exam के 7 days पहले start ratifying. You know ratifying process? The worst thing one should do in the life. Enjoy this part of learning. Can you imagine the subject of maths? How interesting it is. It has no relative. Right or not? You get some formula. You get some concept, and based on that concept, you involve your imagination. Yes or no? You involve your imagination, and then you crack that corn into popcorn, and then you say, I got the right answer. Why don't you enjoy this process of learning? Are you with me? Yes. This is a time, this is an age. If you will develop the right attitude of learning, you will be achieving your dreams. But for achieving your dreams, you should also take the right path. And when you keep dreaming about yourself, about your success, about your goals, it will turn out to be the burning desire. You know what is burning desire? When you will talk to me, your dreams will be in front of you. When you sleep, your dreams will be with you. When you wake up, your dream is with you. Every moment of your life, you are living the life which is driving you towards your dream, which is your burning desire. Are you with me? So the dreams is the burning desire, but just dreaming will give you the results. I wanted to be topper of my class. Will it do the purpose? No. What I have to do? You have to work hard. You have to start wholeheartedly working for your dreams. Let me share you a wonderful story. All of you love listening stories? Okay. How many of you have heard the name of Thomas Edison? Wow, all of you have heard. Wow, wonderful, fantastic. I've never thought of. All of you have heard the name of Thomas Edison? Who was he? He was a scientist, wonderful. What he invented? Wow, fantastic, wow, wonderful. Let me give you a little bit background about Thomas Edison. Time is limited, I will not go to the detailed story, otherwise I would have given this story in the form of fairy tale, and that would have taken you to the timeline of Thomas Edison. But let me come to the some essence, the learning. Thomas Edison, during the school days, he was thrown out of the school, right? And the way he was thrown out of the school, was not in that, I should say, every child is not blessed like you to get such a wonderful teachers, a wonderful school, a wonderful support. Everyone is not blessed. Thomas Edison was not that blessed. When he was in your age, that time, the school teacher gave a note and asked Thomas Edison to please pass this note to his mother. So the note came to his mother, and this Thomas Edison asked, Ki Mama, what is written? What teacher wrote about me? So her mother said, Thomas, your teacher wrote that you are a very genius child, and our school structure, our school facilities are not that competent to groom you, right? हमारे पास में जो resources है, Thomas, you are a very excellent child, you are a very intelligent child, and the school will not help you to grow. So we request you not to come from tomorrow. So the mother said to the child, Thomas, from tomorrow you have to stop going to the school. Now Thomas always used to be a very inquisitive kind of a child. You know inquisitive? He is very eager to know a lot of the things, right? And then his mother has started his journey. She said, Thomas, you are a very brilliant child. So I have decided that I am not going to ask you to go to any school. In fact, I will help you to keep thinking, doing something by your own. And this is how the journey of Thomas Edison started. Later, after almost 10 years or 15 years, when Thomas was of 19 years of his age, one fine day, he got that letter in his hand. The letter which the teacher wrote long back, right? And when he saw that letter, he went into tears for hours together. आंखों में पूरे आंसू आते रहे थॉमस एडिसन के. You know what was the reason? Anyone know? हाँ बेटा, what was the reason? Yes. बोलिए जरा जोर से बोलिए. हाँ. Okay, आप बोलिए, जोर से बोलिए. Yes, yellow. Yes. Now, one second. Let he speak. हाँ, जोर से. Wow, wonderful. Give a round of applause to him. Actually, the letter which was written by the teacher when he was, in his school days, the letter was, your child is a very stupid candidate. He does not carry any intelligence, and we find that your child is not suitable to be studying in our school, and we are rusticating your child. But the mother did a other way round work for Thomas Edison, and then that day Thomas Edison realized that my mother had a full belief in me, and I have to prove on the efforts, the thought what my mother is carrying on me. And that is how the journey of invention started. इनफैक्ट एक चीज शायद किसी को नहीं पता होगी, वो मैं आज आपको बताता हूं, या बहुत कम को पता होगी. हम वेबसाइट पे लिखते हैं .com, you know this? Yes. आजकल हम लोग we use hashtag, hash to horizontal, cutting to vertical lines. Can anyone tell me how it is connected to Thomas Edison? Can anyone tell me how it is connected to Thomas Edison? Apart from more than 1,000 patent, more than 1,000 invention Thomas did. We particularly know that he was into telegraphy, he was into electricity bulb discovery, but Thomas did more than 1,000 invention in his life. And this dot and hash was the name of two sons of Thomas Edison. So Thomas Edison had two sons. The name of one son was dot and another was hash. Okay, so this is how the dot and hash invention took place. Shruti, next. Like this, there are various success stories which are associated. If you know Walt Disney, have you heard about him? Walt Disney? Yeah? Yes, you know? All of you know Mickey Mouse? Which is your favorite cartoon nowadays? Doraemon. Doraemon. Okay. Huh? Shin-chan. Oh, wow. Shin-chan, Doraemon. But have you seen Mickey Mouse? Have you seen Mickey Mouse? Okay. Can there be any character more cuter than Mickey Mouse? No. Someone has dreamt about him, and this person, Walt Disney, he was actually got completely bankrupt. One night, he was sleeping on the floor outside some restaurant, and he was just thinking, because he was not having anything in his pocket, he was completely bankrupted. And then, before that, he was into the cartoon. He used to make the cartoon for the newspaper editorial page, and then he started cartoon movies. But in all the venture he got failed very badly. And then he come up with this character called Disney. And today, you see, the world, every person, I don't think so, there is a single human being which take the birth on the planet does not know Mickey Mouse. Someone has dreamt about it. What I wanted to ask you today as a homework, as a job, as a task, make sure, keep adding in your life. आप अपने टाइम के अंदर the whole day reduce your working hours. Working hours मतलब not of your steady working hours. Reduce your mobile working hours. Okay? Reduce your mobile working time and spend some 15 minutes time, 30 minutes time to think, to dream. Because if you will do that, I'm sure you will going to be the next Steve Jobs. You will be the next scientist who will be much more bigger than Thomas Edison. Or you will be someone who would create that imagination world for the people on the planet. More visionary, more imaginative than Walt Disney. Will you do this? Will it be interesting work for all of you? अच्छा लगेगा? घर पे आप बैठिए अपने लिए 15 minutes, 20 minutes, plan for yourself. Plan for yourself. Dream about it. Now let me come to some of the points which you said. Someone want to become doctor, someone want to become lawyer, someone want to become IAS officer, someone want to become scientist, someone want to become music composer, someone want to become movie director. I don't know why none of you said, I wanted to become teacher. You don't like teaching? You don't want to become teacher? Yeah? See, I always, because no one have given me the thought, I also said, But let me tell you, if you get time sometime to meet me every day 6 to 8 p.m. रोज मैं 6 से 8 I used to sit in my office to meet my new friends. All of you are invited. Yeah. I sit, ये चमेली देवी स्कूल से when you go straight, no, you find HDFC Bank. Behind HDFC Bank, opposite old RT office, behind HDFC Bank is my office, Arise Academy Global. So I used to sit there 6 to 8. I meet all of you guys. लोग आते हैं मुझसे मिलने. And every time when I meet them, everyone wanted to become, doctor, scientist, and we helped them to become doctor, scientist, collector, whatever the field they thought about it. But I actually eagerly wait कि someone comes and asks me, sir, I also wanted to become the teacher. The journey of teacher is fantastic. The journey of teacher is fantastic because I don't think there is any other profession which helped me. I am in my 40s and you are in your 10 or 12 years of the age. Yes or no? I don't think any other work can help me to make the friendship someone of 10 years and the friend of 40 years. Teaching is one of that. Okay. So, previous one. Yeah. Now to become doctor, to become engineer, to become collector, or whatever the noble profession you have thought about yourself, do you know, it's not just imagination. Now I am coming to something serious point. I am coming to something serious point. Now be little bit alert. शुट को थोड़ा और wider open कर लीजिएगा. Okay?
to become doctor, to become scientist, to become engineer, to become IAS officer, do you know there is some kind of extra effort required to be taken to become that? क्या पता है आपको? थोड़ा बहुत कुछ आइडिया है डॉक्टर बनने के लिए क्या करना पड़ता है? ओह वाह, ओह फैंटास्टिक, नीट, वाह क्या बात है, वाह. So there is an exam, competitive exam called NEET, National Eligibility Entrance Test. Wonderful. वैसे ही इंजीनियर बनने के लिए हमें कुछ एग्जाम देनी पड़ती है. जी वाह वाह फैंटास्टिक यार. I have never thought of you guys will be so intelligent today. To become collector, wow, UPSC, fantastic. To become lawyer, LLB, but LLB is, you know, CLAT is the name of exam. जो इंडिया के टॉप लॉ यूनिवर्सिटीज है उसके अंदर you get admission through CLAT exam. Okay? Now to get into these exam, guys, there is one very, very, very important thing which you start doing each and every one of you from today. Stop. Listen very carefully. Stop working to get just higher percentage or higher marks. मुझे 85% लाना है, मुझे 95% लाना है. That should not be your goal. Your goal should be to pick the concept. Your goal should be to nurture yourself conceptually and let the marks should be byproduct. I always tell to everyone, including my child, including every of my friends like you, I tell to all the students one important thing, and if you can take that as a note, it will make a big change in your life. And that note is, don't compare. If you know tomorrow the exam is of 100 marks, just think absolutely कि मेरा एग्जाम 100 मार्क्स का होगा. What should I do? How should I work? मैं अपने आप की कैसे वर्क करूं so that I should start making 100 out of 100. How I should pick the concept, how I should nurture the concept, and this is possible. If you want to get full marks, if you want to be among the toppers, you need to stop chasing for marks. You should start loving the concept. You should start building yourself to the foundation. You should fall in love with the subject. There is a good news and there is a bad news. The good news is all of you can score very good results, can make wonderful results. But the bad news is most of you learn mathematics the way we learn social science. Hello? You need to identify the difference. You cannot learn maths the way you learn social science. Maths is a subject which you should enjoy. Science is a subject which you should feel around. Right or not? When you start feeling it, when you start living it, I tell you, आपको ऐसा लगेगा 100 में से 100 लाना एक बहुत छोटा सा टारगेट है. इट इज नॉट अ बिग थिंग. और अगर आपने ये एटीट्यूड डेवलप कर लिया, इफ यू हैव डेवलप दिस एटीट्यूड, लेट मी टेल यू, नो वन विल स्टॉप यू टू fulfill your dreams. No one will stop you to become the successful doctor, lawyer or engineer. I assure you that. Because why I am telling you that you have to change your attitude for towards the studies, because what is a normal practice कि हम क्या करते हैं कि just 3 days, 4 days or a night previous to exam हम लोग क्या करते हैं, हम लोग मगअप कर लेते हैं, हम लोग क्या कर लेते हैं, रटाफिकेशन कर लेते हैं, रट लेते हैं, खट 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 खट. कहाँ इतनी मेहनत करनी है, रट लेंगे हम तो मार्क्स ले आएंगे. पेरेंट्स को भी दिखा दिया, बट दिस इज अ वेरी वेरी शॉर्ट टर्म अचीवमेंट. This will not going to help you in your future because you are cultivating the wrong habit. Are you with me? ये इतना ही डेंजरस है, खास करके गर्ल्स मुझे समझ जाएगी, कि हमने 3 दिन से नहाए नहीं, लेकिन हमने लिपस्टिक भी लगा ली और वो क्या बोलते हैं, हाँ मेकअप किट में क्या होता है वो रूस भी लगा लिया और बिल्कुल टिप टॉप हो गए हम तो. राइट और नॉट? बट इनसाइड देयर आर जर्म्स विच इज bacterias which is multiplying. Right or not? It is as bad as the way you study. I just want all of you, आज से ही पहला एक्शन, start writing your dreams. Second action, change your method of study. You have to study not just for the marks, but you have to study to make a grip of the concept. You should start loving the subject. It is always said that once you start loving the subject, you can live with the subject forever. अगर आपने मैथ्स को अच्छे से पढ़ने लग गए, सोशल साइंस अच्छे से पढ़ने लग गए, साइंस अच्छे से पढ़ने लग गए, तो आई टेल यू, आज नहीं तो आज से 25 साल बाद, 50 साल बाद, अगर आपसे कोई पूछेगा कि व्हाट यू वांट टू बिकम, सो यू विल से आई वांटेड टू बिकम टीचर, because you will start in love with the subject. You will fall in love with the subject. And when you start falling in love with someone, it becomes your habit to live with it, right or not? And if you will develop this as an habit, no one can stop you not to take some invention to the moon. No one will stop you to take to some invention which can make a big difference to the mankind. And you will be one such inventor in your life. Only thing, आप जो कर रहे हो आप वही करना है, बस उस मेथड को थोड़ा सा चेंज करना है. अभी तक हम मार्क्स के लिए सिर्फ रट रहे थे, अब हमें एक छोटा सा चेंज करना है. क्या करना है? हमें उस कंसेप्ट को थोड़ा सा शुरू के 15 दिन, 20 दिन, 1 महीना, हो सकता है थोड़ा सा आपको लगेगा यार ये दिस इज नॉट माय कप ऑफ टी, मुझे इसमें मजा नहीं आ रहा है, लेकिन आई टेल यू वो कॉर्न कप पॉप बन जाएगा, आपको पता नहीं चलेगा ना, आप पॉपकॉर्न बन जाओगे. और आप ऐसे पॉपकॉर्न बनोगे कि thousands and lakh of people will start following you. Are you getting me? Are you with me? A small change. Don't just mug. Don't just work for marks. जैसे when I sit in my office, जो मैं आप evening 6 to 8, whenever I interact, sometime child come and they say कि sir I could not understand this particular topic. मुझे मैथ्स के अंदर ये क्वेश्चन में डिफिकल्टी आ रही है. किसी का कोई थॉट्स होता है, कोई ड्रीम होता है, एंड आई ऑलवेज गाइड देम नॉट फॉर गिविंग द सोल्यूशन, बट आई हेल्प देम दैट देयर माइंड शुड कम अप विद द सोल्यूशन. And if you will develop this as an habit, if you will develop, and this is a very right time of your life, अगर आज आपने इस अपॉर्चुनिटी को मिस कर दिया, अगर आप सोचेंगे कि मैं क्लास 9th में और 10th में इसको डेवलप करूंगा, you will be very late. You will be very late. You cannot change. The only small difference you have to do is start changing the pattern you are studying. हमें मार्क्स के लिए नहीं पढ़ना है, हमें किसके लिए पढ़ना है? To live the subject. Maths, social. Don't learn maths like social science. रटाफिकेशन मत करो, क्वेश्चंस करो. अगर आपको थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन मिले, कभी उसके सोल्यूशन को मत देखो, क्योंकि सोल्यूशन देख लोगे तो लर्निंग अपॉर्चुनिटी खत्म हो जाएगी. वो जो क्वेश्चन आया है उसके साथ यू लिव योर लाइफ. Enjoy with that question. Are you with me? Fantastic. आपका लर्निंग प्रोसेस, अभी जो आपकी पढ़ाई हो रही है, इट शुड नॉट बी जस्ट फॉर द स्कूल मार्क्स. योर स्टडी शुड बी टू बिल्ड द फाउंडेशन. व्हाई वी से फाउंडेशन? बिकॉज वंस यू बिल्ड द फाउंडेशन, यू कैन स्टैंड strong on that foundation for your life. I just give you some examples why you need to build your foundation. Let's see here. To become doctor, please be careful. To become doctor, do you know how many students appear for the examination called as competitive examination to become doctor? So last year there were 22 lakh students has appeared. कितने बच्चे बैठे थे? 22 lakhs. और कितने बच्चे डॉक्टर बन सकते हैं? How many seats are available? Just 65,000. 22 lakh and only 65,000 डॉक्टर्स. चलिए, बात सिर्फ यहां पे ही नहीं खत्म हो गई. डॉक्टर के अंदर भी एक डॉक्टर ऐसा होता है जो थोड़ा सा विलेज में होता है, यस और नो, और एक डॉक्टर ऐसा होता है, अगर आपने सुना हो, एम्स का डॉक्टर, ऑल इंडिया इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मेडिकल साइंस, जो इंडिया का सबसे टॉप कैटेगरी का मेडिकल इंस्टीट्यूट होता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज एम्स. और एम्स के अंदर द टॉप कैटेगरी इज एम्स दिल्ली. 22 लाख स्टूडेंट्स में से जो फर्स्ट 500 बच्चे जो आते हैं, दे गेट एम्स दिल्ली. इनफैक्ट वो 125 पे ही खत्म हो जाता है. द फर्स्ट 60-70 स्टूडेंट्स गेट एम्स दिल्ली. And I tell you, those who wanted to become doctor, just make one learning today in the class. You don't just wanted to become doctor or engineer or lawyer. You have to be a very successful doctor. You have to be very successful engineer. You have to be very successful lawyer. And to become that successful lawyer, engineer, all of you can achieve it. क्योंकि आपको ये एग्जाम कब अपेयर करना है? पोस्ट 12th के बाद में। और अगर आपने अभी से, इफ यू चेंज योर लर्निंग पैटर्न, इफ यू स्टार्ट वर्किंग फ्रॉम द कंसेप्ट, ऑन द फाउंडेशन, ऑन एंजॉइंग द लर्निंग, these exams will not be the challenge. अगर मैं लॉयर की बात करूं तो 60,000 स्टूडेंट अपेयर करते हैं और 3,000 से भी कम लॉयर्स अच्छे यूनिवर्सिटी से पढ़ के निकल पाते हैं। अगर मैं इंजीनियर की बात करूं तो 14 लाख इंजीनियर्स के लिए अप्लाई करते हैं। 40,000 बच्चे जो है वो अच्छे कॉलेज इंजीनियरिंग में लैंड हो पाते हैं। आपने आईआईटी का नाम सुना है? हैव यू हर्ड समथिंग? IIT के अंदर डू यू नो हाउ मेनी स्टूडेंट्स गेट टू IIT? आउट ऑफ 14 lakhs, less than 20,000. Out of 14 lakhs, less than 20,000 get into IIT. और IIT में भी सबसे टॉप क्या होता है? IIT बॉम्बे, IIT बॉम्बे. And to get into IIT Bombay, you have to be in the first 200 to 50 ranks. मतलब 14 लाख से आपको कहां पे आना है? फर्स्ट 50 के अंदर. नाउ टू बिकम कलेक्टर, टू बिकम द कलेक्टर, you have to give UPSC exam, Union Public Service Commission exam. 10 lakh students appeared last year and there are only 50 seats. Now I am sure seeing this data, आप लोगों को ऐसा लग रहा होगा यार ये तो बहुत टफ है. कितने लोगों को ऐसा लग रहा है ये बहुत टफ है? कितने लोगों को लग रहा है ये बहुत टफ है? ओके ओके. Now definitely if such data come in front of us, तो हर जन को डर तो लग ही जाएगा. इट इज लाइक इंडिया पाकिस्तान का मैच है और पाकिस्तान ने इंडिया को वनडे का टारगेट 500 रन्स का दे दिया है. तो खेलने के पहले ही इंडिया क्या हो जाएगी? डर जाएगी. यस और नो? नो? ओह वाह, वंडरफुल वंडरफुल. हाँ, you will never give up. Wow, what a spirit. I love you guys. And that should be the attitude. Now just make one small change in your mind and you will not get fear of such kind of the data. Tell me one thing. What's your name? What's your name? इधर आइए. क्या नाम है बेटा आपका? समृद्धि. समृद्धि, अगर आप इंजीनियर बनेंगी तो आप कितनी सीट ऑक्यूपाई करेंगी?
हाँ.
अगर आपको इंजीनियर बनेंगी तो आपको कितनी सीट आप ऑक्यूपाई अकेली कर पाएंगी?
सर एक.
How much?
1.
1 सीट. वाओ. एक बच्चा कितनी सीट ऑक्यूपाई करेगा? 1. अगर आपको कलेक्टर बनना है तो कितनी सीट्स अवेलेबल है? 50. आपको 50 थोड़ी ना रखनी है. आपको कितनी सीट चाहिए? 1. यू आर एन इंडिविजुअल एंड हाउ मेनी सीट यू रिक्वायर्ड? जस्ट थिंक अबाउट 1 सीट. क्या वो 1 सीट है? जस्ट फोकस ऑन योर सेल्फ. थैंक यू. जस्ट फोकस ऑन योर सेल्फ. A very important lesson. Don't think about others. Don't think about 22 lakhs. Don't see about 10 lakhs. You are individual. Yes or no? You are individual. You have to focus on yourself. If there is 1 seat available for any exam, then that seat belongs to you. That 1 seat belongs to you. And you are the one who is going to achieve it. Definitely there are a lot of the things, hard work, then practice, then guidance, then mentoring. ये सब चीज work करेगी. I am not going to talk on those aspects now. I am going to talk on luck. You know there is something called luck in the life. Right. Now you listen me very carefully. How good if Acha, have you ever experienced this that your friend work less, your friend do less hard work and get better results than you? Have you experienced this? I am sure हर friend को अपना next friend ऐसा ही लगता होगा कि this child has worked less but got better result. Have you felt this? Have you experienced this? Have you experienced this? I tell you, there is something which is not seen live, but this is hidden. And if you will get that luck in your life, no one can stop you to be successful. If you cultivate this one small habit, I can assure you, you will be not just successful, you will be very, very successful. The reason I have explained the case study of Thomas Edison in the beginning, I am concluding here. Thomas Edison, he was not a bright child, he was not an intelligent child, right or not? But because of his mother's blessing, he turned out to be one of the best inventor in the world, yes or no? The luck, you want to be lucky? You want to be lucky? You want to be very lucky? You want to be very, 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 very lucky? So take this mantra from me today. All your success in the life, every success of your life is based on blessings. Never miss to get the blessings of your parents and your teachers. Never miss this opportunity of getting the blessings from your teacher and from your parents. If these two people on the planet Earth are giving the blessings, you will be the next successful like Thomas Edison. Do you believe this? Yes, sir. If your parents are giving some guidelines to you, they are the best to think and drive you. If sometime your parents ask you on various aspects, they ask you to study, they ask you to do more practice, they ask you don't use excessive mobile, they ask you not to get into social media, they ask you use proper language, they ask you don't use vulgar words, they ask you doing something good. Your teacher says beta study, your teacher says do the homework, your teacher says work this, make sure. Whether you like your teacher, whether you like your parent is not something you should think. What you should always think is, how can I get the blessings from them? The blessings is not just touching the feet. It is a gratitude. If you are keeping that sentiments, if you are connecting to these two people, your parents and your teachers, with the thought process of taking their blessings, this is for sure will be the luck of your life. The two person, you know Vinod Kambli and Sachin Tendulkar? Technically speaking, the guru of both Vinod Kambli and Sachin Tendulkar were one. Who was he? Who was the guru of Sachin Tendulkar? No, not his father, his guru, the one who taught the cricket to both of them. Acha, time is over. Oh, okay. Oh. No, not his father, not his father. No, not his. Okay. Okay, you can tell me. You can come meet me and you tell me the answer. Not to worry about the answer. But, you know, Sachin Tendulkar turned out to be very successful and Vinod Kambli could not reach to that heights. Similarly in the life you will see someone is working less and getting better result. Someone is working less and getting better results. Someone is less successful and someone is more successful. The difference is the kind of blessings you count in your life. If you count the blessings of your teacher and your parents, I assure you, no one can stop you to be the next successful person on the planet Earth. By these words, next time. My presentation, and it was a lovely meeting you all guys. Before my presentation, and it was a lovely meeting you all guys. Before I end, I wanted to give you some opportunity so that you and me can always be connected and helpful. As I said, I am always up. You can always come to meet me between 6 to 8 p.m. I am available to help everyone. You can come with your parents. If you want any of your doubts to discuss, you can do it. You wanted to reach me personally, you can WhatsApp me. My number is there, it is there. You can take appointment on 7999-750-399. You can come to me. But one thing I asked you in the beginning that I am going to ask you one thing at the end. Can I ask you now? Make sure all of you work with full honesty. Do your best. The world has to offer a lot of good things, and you are the one who have to take the taste of such successes. With that thought, I wanted to end and thank you very much for such a patient listener. Your friend Ashish Sabu, my team Arise Academy Global is always there to help each and every one of you, and we will be glad to assist you. Now, while leaving, please give that form to teachers. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thanks on this valuable, meaningful, fruitful, career motivational seminar. On the behalf of our St. Joseph Convent School, first, I would like to thank our principal, Sister Bindu, to organize such a knowledgeable seminar. Now, I want to extend my special thanks to our resource persons, Mr. Ashish Sabu and Mrs. Shruti Sabu, for giving insights of important topic, which will really help and motivate our children to choose the better career option in future in a better way. I would like to thank our teachers for their support and our students for being good listeners. Thank you so much.